Hey guys, this is Peter, and for the longest time people have been asking me, hey, can I use my phone's data plan, well, to get internet from my home? Well, what a lot of people want to be able to do is take the same SIM card that they'd use on a phone and plug it into something like this and make it unlimited for their house. The only problem is that a lot of those phone plans, all of them, see this as not a phone, but instead as a hotspot. It sees it as a modem, which it is. So then you have limited data once again. Mine is like 10 gigs a month it comes with. But if you wanted to go past that with your phone, you actually can. You can get a small device like this. This is made for your PC to make that USB Type-C port into other things. Legacy USB 3 and two different card readers. That's a micro card reader and SD card reader. And I don't know if you can see that. That's an HDMI port. Check out what happens if you plug that into your phone. Here, I'm going to unplug my TV box, or you could use another input. I'm going to plug this into the dongle, goes in right like that, and now I'm going to plug this into my phone. And watch what happens. I'm going to get my phone up on this TV. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do that, and look, you're like, well, it still looks like your phone, it has the same format, etc. But look, there's a lot of things you could do with it. I could swipe across and see all my different apps. I could run my apps on the screen. But look what happens if you run TV apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, even YouTube. They run normal screen size. Look at this. So I actually have this running. It's running one of the shows there. If I take a dongle for a USB controller, I'm going to plug that in right here. Look at this. I just grabbed a USB remote from one of my older boxes, but now I'm able to control the TV. I can do the volume up, down. I can do the pause and pause and play buttons. Does it do everything? No, it doesn't. But it actually it did that. Well, it did the home button. It'll do different things. But you can go one step further. You can also plug in a different dongle to like a mouse and keyboard. Because I know a lot of you are saying, hey, I just need to be able to check my email or surf the web a little bit. Now we got a regular mouse and a full-size keyboard. And I'm going to switch it over to, this is an Android phone, this is a Samsung S22, but it has a feature on here called DeX. And DeX is a desktop that's built into your phone if you have an Android phone. And look, I have the ability to check my files, the internet, email, and look, I can control this with a full-size mouse and full-size keyboard. There, I was at the Toyota site looking stuff up, but look at that. Gorgeous ability to surf the web, and I truly am a phone in this situation. And I'm using my big screen as the, well, for the ability to navigate the web. This is too cool. This is exactly what most people wanted to be able to do. Unlimited data plan from your phone because we're still using your phone. There you go, guys. Hey, I think this is pretty great. Give this thumbs up if you like it. I have a lot of great stuff coming up. I have a new solar project. I have a battery that's absolutely huge. It's like 4 batteries in one, but it's managed beautifully. In fact, it even has an app and a great BMS that makes it feel really safe. I'm going to get into that. I have a portable fridge I want to show you, and some new 5G stuff that's coming out that is absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Talk to you soon.